Good morning. This is Mr. Burns, CPDLF science instructor, and it is Monday, December 18th, and I'm bringing you the 16th weekly chemistry launch of the year. I hope things are going well. I've been getting a lot of work in, and that's a good thing. I really encourage you to keep it up and stay with the course where your calendar says to be. It's a whole lot easier to stay current than it is to catch up. For those of you who are behind, I strongly recommend that you do catch up. Zeros really hurt your grade. I also suggest that you use this break time that's coming up, and I hope you're looking forward to the holidays and a break. But I strongly recommend that you might use some of that time at least to get caught up. It'd be a good time a good little break in there to do some extra work and get caught up if you're behind. Okay. Last week, we looked at, well, we did a lot of things. We did Unit 5 test. That was number 5.16. We did the semester review at 6.1. You had the semester exam for the first semester. That was 6.2. You also did lesson 7.1, 7.2. Well, really, I should say 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5. And I say them that way because this is now the second semester. There is no 7 really. That goes back to 1. So, those are the ones we did last week. If you have any questions or needs about those, any concerns, please let me know. I really want to see you all do just as good as you can do. Chemistry can be tough, but the more you work with it, the easier it is. I guarantee it. Okay, for this week, you're going to do quiz 1, chemical reactions, that's 1.8. Enthalpy of reaction, 1.9. Heat transfer, 1.10. Calorimetry, 1.11. Using Gibbs free energy to predict spontaneous reactions, 1.12. Quiz 2, chemical changes to entropy and Gibbs free energy, 7.13, or 1.13, I'm sorry. Okay, if you have any questions on those, please let me know. Don't just turn them in with nothing in them. Let's work it through. I'll be glad to help you. Just a couple things in there. Entropy is the opposite of energy. It's like a greater disorganization. As things go on, they become, as energy goes on, it stays as energy, but it converts to a form that's not usable. And everything is like that too. Entropy always increases over time. So entropy is disorder. Things go from an organized state to an unorganized state. Enthalpy is heat. And so one of those lessons was the enthalpy of reaction. You're going to look at the heat of reaction. That's what that means. And heat transfer, calorimetry is the measure of heat energy. It's measured in calories. I know you think of food calories, but there's also chemistry calories, okay? Chemistry calories measure the heat or the energy that's within, that happens as a result of a reaction. Okay, this week, our reflection question is define enthalpy. Okay, define enthalpy. Tell me what it is. And don't forget, you need to answer those reflection questions to get credit for the launch. I do get them in with no answers, and of course, you don't get any credit. So please do that. And then let me know if you need any help with anything in there. I'm sure we'll talk again during the week, but if not, have a great break, have great holidays, and try to catch up if you're behind. But I wish you all the best. Talk to you next year. Bye.